Aggregate control loop data can be accessed through this button. The first tab in the Aggregate data window provides the breakdown of loop health status. Looking at this donut chart, it is clear that only 1 out of the 14 loops is healthy with respect to overall health, and the remaining 13 have an alert. Let us look at the health status of the loops with respect to variability. 7 out of the 14 loops are healthy, while 4 have a warning and 3 have an alert. The second tab offers the possibility to compare any calculated metric across all loops. The metrics involving errors and the standard deviations of the variables, the skewness and kurtosis of control error, are all calculated using data normalized either between 0 and 1 or between -1 and 1, as appropriate. Therefore, comparisons of these metrics across all loops is possible. Certain other metrics like the oscillation index, idle index, quantization index, saturation indices, etc., are already reported as percentages or fractions with specific limits, and therefore comparable across the loops. For an example, let us look at the comparison of OP saturation indices. This plot indicates that loop 6 and loop 13 have problems with saturation. The third tab provides the time trend of aggregate loop metrics. The operation mode percentage provides the detail of the percentage of loops in different modes at any given time. For instance, at this time instant, about 7% of the loops operate in automatic mode, 13% are in manual mode, and the mode information for the remaining 80% of loops is not available. The loops exceeding PV limits provide the details of the percentage of loops exceeding PV limits at any given time. At the instant shown, we can see that about 14% of the loops exceed PV limits.